Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you about the object specific action, its type and the creation process. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about the object specific actions in Salesforce. The object specific actions allow user quickly update records, create records, log a call, send emails and more in the settings of the specific object with a single click of the button. The object specific action can create records that can be automatically connected with the related information. For example, when the user can launch an action that done at the same time, create a contact and related it with an account. The object specific action can be created using button links and action tab that are present inside the object manager. It can be added to the page layout under the mobile and lightning action section of the page layout tab, but not added by the global publisher layout. Note, by default, the action are not available on the page layouts so that we can have to enable feed tracking. Now, move forward and discuss about the types of the object specific action. There are various types of object specific action. The first one is create a record. It is used to create a record that are automatically connected with a related record. Next one is update actions. This update action makes it easy to edit the records. The field will be defined that is ready to update. Next one is log a call. It allows the user to enter notes related to calls, meetings and other interactions that are related to the particular record. Next one is custom visual force. These visual force pages allow the user to interact or create records that have relationship to an object record. Next is send email actions. These actions are only available in the cases it offers the user access to the clarified version of the case feed email action. Next is lightning component. In custom action in lightning experience, the lightning component can be used. Next is lightning web component. In any of the two custom actions such as a screen quick action and headless quick action, this lightning web component can be used. Last one is flows. Through quick action, the Salesforce flow can be launched. Now move forward and discuss about the creation of object specific action in Salesforce Lightning. So this is my Salesforce Lightning org and here I will explain you how to create object specific action in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that and under this gear icon there are two options. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. Our setup page is open and under this setup page we can see that two tabs are present on the navbar. First tab is Home tab and the another tab is Object Manager tab. Click on the Object Manager tab. The Object Manager page is open and under this Object Manager page we can see that lots of objects are present. Select one of the objects that we can use in the event and here we are selecting the account object. The account page is open and under this account page there is a detail section on the left side. You can see that and under this detail section there is a button links and action option. Click on this option. The button links and action page is open and under this page there is a new action button is present for creating the new action and the action I create over here will be the object specific action. So click on the new action button. The account new action page is open. Here I fill the complete information related to the object specific action. So fill the target object. In this target object has some record. Not every record because only record that are related to the account object will come over here. So I select event and after that select the standard label type and here I am selecting the create new record and then give the name and here we are giving the name as new event action and then scroll to the bottom of the page and give the success message and here we are giving the success message as note again and then click on the save button. Whenever we create an action which is for creating a new record, an action layout also get created. We need to just specify the fields which will be available over there. The field that is already present are required universally. So if you want to add more field, then drag the field and drop this action layout and then hit the save button. Now the action is created. Now it should be available onto the account page layout. So click on the page layout that is present on the left side under the details. Click on that. Now click on the account layouts. The page layout page is open. Now click on the mobile and lightning action, and here you can see that the create new event, and drag this create new event and drop it into the Salesforce mobile and lightning experience action and hit on the save button. Now again go to the particular account object. So click on the app launcher and enter the sales in the search box. Hit enter to the sales. The sales page is open. Now click on the account object and you can see that lots of records are present. Select any of the record, and here we are selecting this record. Our record page is open, and on the right side you can see that there is an activity section, and click on the drop down arrow for more action and you can see that there is a create new event is created. After clicking on this create new event, the create new dialog box is open. Now select the subject, and here we are selecting the email as a subject. If you want to edit the description, you can, otherwise leave it as it is, and then select the start date of the event, and here we are selecting the starting date of the event as September 22 at 1 a.m. and the end date of the event is September 23 and the ending time is 2 a.m. and then hit the save button, and you can see that our upcoming event is shown under this. Now proceed further and discuss how to create object specific action in Salesforce Classic. This is my Salesforce Lightning core. For moving to our Salesforce Classic core, click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture we can see that there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option and we move to our Salesforce Classic org. Now click on the username. There is a drop down arrow near the username. Now click on the drop down arrow of the username, and the drop down list is open, and under this drop down list we can see that the lots of options are present, and we click on the setup option. Our setup page is open. Now enter the accounts in the quick find box, and the account object comes at the top, and under this account object we can see that there is a button links and action option. Click on this option. The button links and action page is open, and under this page there is a new action button is present for creating the new action, and the action I create over here will be the object specific. So click on the new action button. The account new action page is open. Now select the target object. Here I fill the complete information related to the object specific action. Fill the target object, and in this target object has some records. Not every record, because only record that related to the account object will be come over here. I will select the event object. So click on the event object, and after that I will select the standard label type. So here we are selecting the standard label type as a create new record, and after that give the name, and here we are giving the name as new event action, and then scroll to the bottom of the page and giving the success message and note again and hit the save button. When we create an action which is for creating a new record, an action layout is also created. We need to just specify the fields which will be available over there. The fields that is already present are required universally. If you want to add more fields, then add to this action layout. We added location field to this action layout and hit save button. Now the action is created. Now it should be available onto the account page layout. So again enter the account in the quick find box and scroll to the bottom of the page. Under the account object you can see that there is a page layout. Click on this page layout, and after that click on the account layout. Click on added button. The page layout page is open. Now click on the quick actions, and here you can see that the create new event. Drag this create new event and drop it to the quick action in Salesforce Classic Publisher and hit on the save button. Now I will go to the particular account, click on the accounts, and under this account you can see that there is a records present. Select any one of the record, and here we are selecting this record. And here you can see that the actions are present, and there is a create new event action is also created. Click on this, and here you are entering the subject for this event. Here we are selecting the email, then add the location if you want, and then entering the start date, which is automatically filled. The related to record are already selected because we are on the same record. That's why the accounts are already selected. And then click on the create button, and you can see that our new event is created. So with this, we have come to the end of the video session. We will see you in the next video.